Hey guys, this is a video of making a resin clock in a 12-inch silicone mold. First of all, we will take our mold and clear it off of any dust particle which might later appear on the surface of resin. Then we begin with pouring clear resin on 1/3 portion of the mold and then white pigment on the rest 2/3 of the mold. Warning, you should always have your mask and gloves on while working with resin. Here I am working without any gloves because of the scorching heat of 46 degrees Celsius, which eventually feels like 56 degrees. But of course, I am cautious enough not to touch the resin directly or get in contact with it by any means. The reason I'm using here is 2:1 composition. Let us know in the comments below if you would like to see a video about the basics of resin, uses and how to mix them with precision. So moving ahead with the next step, I have added a few gold leaves or the gold flakes with the help of a stick on the clear part of the resin. I left it to settle for 12 to 18 hours. This is the minimum time needed by the resin to cure. Now, after 18 hours, it is solid enough and I am pouring a few drops of resin on the central part of the cloth for my gold leaves to easily stick on the surface. Remember not to touch the resin directly with your hands. I am just dropping the leaves on the surface of the cloth to get the required texture. Now, with the help of a stick, I am arranging the gold leaves in the pattern I needed for my clock. The next step is pouring a layer of clear resin over the base to lock the texture created with leaves. After 12 to 18 hours of curing, the base is ready to place the numbers. Here I am using the acrylic cutouts of Roman numbers. You need to be very precise with the angle and distance while placing the numbers. Now it's the turn to pour a final layer of clear resin to get a premium glossy finish. Leave it for another 18 hours. The next day you need to demold it from the mold, drill a hole at the center and fix the machine and clock hands. Let us know in the comments below if you would like to see a video on how to assemble all the parts of a resin clock. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe. See you in our next video.